the competitive world of online car sales, image quality is key. Yet, capturing the perfect shot is fraught with challenges. Cluttered backgrounds, poor lighting, and distracting elements all diminish the appeal of your vehicles. Without a photo studio, creating that standout image to rise above the competition on platforms like AutoTrader and Cars.com becomes a formidable task. Enter background replacement, or BGR, the game changer for car dealerships. BGR meticulously traces the vehicle's outline, discards the extraneous backdrop, and positions the car against a clean, branded, or even showroom-like setting. It's about placing your inventory in the limelight, free from the visual noise that can turn potential buyers away. And now, artificial intelligence revolutionizes BGR. With Easy360's EasyS Smart service, imagine processing thousands of photos monthly, instantly, and without the hefty cost of manual editing. This AI-driven approach ensures your cars are showcased at their best, directly on your website, with speed and efficiency that manual methods can't match. Background replacement isn't just an option, it's the future of online car sales visual marketing.